Hello and welcome to this new video on how to create an TikTok account. So if you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to go to your search bar that is on the bottom part, in the bottom taskbar, and you just need to search for TikTok and open the TikTok application. So when you are inside this interface, you just need to look in the top right corner. There is a login button. Click on the login button, and in the bottom part there is don't have an account sign up text. So you just have to click on the sign up button, and there are three options, that is use phone number or email, continue with Facebook, or continue with Google. So I'll just click on continue with Google option, and I'll choose the email address with which I want to continue or make the TikTok account. I'll just choose the email and I'll just click on the continue button that is on the right hand side, and I have to wait for a few seconds for the another interface to be loaded. So as you can see, it has given me a notification that I have logged in. So now I have created a new TikTok account. So this is how you can easily create a TikTok account. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.